today we are doing the Throwback Thursday Riverdale palette. This has 9 pans. Has like mostly shimmers, I think, or half and half. Riverdale. And Nightmare Before Christmas, a wonderful Nightmare eyeshadow palette. That's what it looks like. They're all from Hot Topic. I wanted to do some fall colors. And this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 shades in this one. So I did the 1 through 9 for Riverdale. I got 3, 9, and 5. 3, 9, and 5. So 3 shadows from the other palette. 6, 3, and 5. Here we go again with, some similar colors. We have pink, black, like a gold shade, green, a black, and then like a bluish black shimmer. Great. Let's have fun with these. So I'm gonna go in with pink real quick. This I Love You, Betty Cooper. Oh my goodness. I do not like the color story. I'm sorry. I'm just gonna go in the inner crease. I'm gonna try to pull you in a little closer. And it has the cute little pom-poms. I don't know if they sell these anymore. I haven't went on their website. I haven't went in the store. After this pandemic, I've been checking, like, when I was in the groove of buying these palettes, I was, like, really, like, wanting these palettes, but, things happen. I changed my mind on doing, like, just Hot Topic, and I wanted something that, people are really wanting to buy, and these Hot Topic palettes, people never really want to buy them. They are like powdery you really gotta add on the colors like a lot because they're so powdery. But I don't mind them. They're on sale a lot. I just haven't checked their website in a very long time. So that is that. Going into Deadly Nightmare, it's the 3rd shade. Does look like a brownish black, so the same brush, I just wiped it on a cloth. This is super powdery formula, and I went to want a detail brush because with black, it tends to get messy really quick for darker shades, especially Hot Topic. I'm just gonna go in the crease like that. And FYI, some shadows blend away to nothing. Okay, I decided I want Halloween Town. It's like shimmery color right there. I'm gonna like do an eyeliner right here, because these do blend away for nothing. Don't know why. Going in with this kind of brush and going in Gambling Boogeyman. The 2nd shade right here. Very powdery. Going in. Okay, I know what to do now. Alright, and just going in most of the eyelid. So probably like that little spot there. I wanted the Stranger Things, but oh well. Waited too long. And other palettes are better than the Hot Topic, so I was like, never mind on it. because, you know, Ulta has been like my favorite on buying palettes. Well, actually, Marshall's, because you get the best deal. And then also you get the deals online, and I hate waiting for palettes. That's just me. So yeah, that's what it's looking like. It's like an orangey gold shade. It's called Ginger Stallion. I like how the Riverdale words are imprinted, but they do like wipe away once you use it. Just going in the inner portion of the eyelid and in the inner portion. Just going in like that. It's really light. Okay, I'll be using this a lot in this video. So a dark Betty, black. It's like a really pretty good black. It's matte. Just going in. I hate that I'm like at this corner always. But oh well, as long as you can still see what I'm doing, I guess it's fine. I hate when I do this, it goes in my eye. But just underneath here. Finishing up this look, and then gonna do the rest of my eye, and you'll see the end of my eye look. And that is the finished look. I used the two NYX in my project pan. I used a little bit of this Medusa liquid eyeshadow for the inner portion. I think I like the look. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. Bye for now.